my name is Averie Rose, and welcome to Cooking with Averie Rose.
Today I'm making cheeseburger sliders and tater tots. Set your oven to 435 degrees. Pour the tater tots on the baking sheet. Make sure you spray oil on your baking sheet first. It's time to put my tater tots in the oven now. Let's season my hamburger meat now. First, I'm going to start with onion soup mix. Use garlic powder. Now, onion powder. Add a little bit of pepper. It's time to get your hands dirty. Mix it all together. Now place the hamburger patties on a baking sheet. Now let's fry them up. Now choose your favorite cheese. I'm using 2 tons of cheese. Cut the cheese into fourths. Look at what I did! All done. Let's take them off. That will. It's time to add the cheese. My tater tots is ready. Closing my buns. Look how good this looks. It's time to fix my plate. It's time to eat! That's so good. Please like and subscribe.